Hello, this is Chadwick, and I'd just like to share with you a few sites that I have for your viewing pleasure. This one is called ASICminer.com, and as you can see, it's got these supposed earnings of each miner, which I would imagine these $2 and $1 are probably correct, but I would probably steer away from something if it says $133, $40, $8. You just don't really get that kind of deal, you know. I mean, life can be a great place to live in, but they're not giving away any free rides. So, but yeah, this is a good place to look at your miners and stuff. You've got for instance, the Antminer S17 Pro, which would be my favorite pig. Not that I know I don't have one, but it seems pretty neat. And I think some of these other ones, one thing I do know is that you're probably wanting to try and get the highest hash rate, but it just kind of varies by miner to miner to miner, and it's more of a life experience than it is, about making money, and it's a part of being something more important. So that's one of the websites I had for you, and another one I wanted to share was a BTC mining calculator, and I believe I have one here at Coin Wars, which is my favorite. And it's supposed to calculate how much, in this case, Bitcoin, you would make on certain amounts of, according to your terahash, or gigahashes. That would be quite the miner operation right there. And you can calculate your mining profit, but you just don't really know until you buy the miners. So let's talk about buying miners. Now you can do a search for miners online, and you'll come up with a lot of vendors that have e-stores and some other kind of sole proprietorship style websites to sell miners, and you can find them here in Alibaba. You can look for them. Now they are from China, and you'll probably want to make sure your supplier that you're buying from has trade assurance, so that's neat. Or you can just do a search and find out what your where you can buy and what price you buy. Beware, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So with that, that's all I have to say. And I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And that's all.